You can see a little bit of a yard sale out there. Pieces of that truck body flying all over. And then you see the Scorpion. She's able to refire after we clear off the debris. She's got plenty of time to throw down the run. And you can see they're trying to set up onto that recovery vehicle, that Lucas stabilizer roof. That is going to be a tall order for some of the unsung heroes of Monster Jam. Everybody who works behind the scenes, the recovery crew, the USHRA tech officials, the crew chiefs, the technicians. And look at that, driving it off with ease. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get a round of applause while we wait for all the people behind the scenes to make Monster Jam. San Diego getting a little break in the action during the middle of that run as he tore that truck in half. But there was the end worth the wait. The unbelievable rotation right there on that backflip, landing it and then finishing with